through the other side. No! My name is not no. But my name is no. My sign is no. Today we're going to play hide and seek. Sharpness 58. How did you? Oh, I see one. Oh, ooh, personality. Oh, I saw their name tag. This is gonna be easier than I thought it would. With Avmo, it's super hard. I mean, easy because houses. Oh, I'm looking up. Oh, what? Oh, I'm gonna have to find a little up. Look up. Oh, Zane. How did Zane get up there? Oh, I got their plushie shape, whatever it's called. Oh my gosh, how could Zane do that? I just can't. What? Oh my gosh, how can Zane do that? I'm doing it, guys. No, I didn't do it. I have to redo this again and again. She is coming. I am mad. She's coming. Oh my god. I wish I could do this. I think the... I'm gonna go up. Zane is over there. I can see him. Oh, mom. Ooh, that is easy. You have to get up there though. Shoot. Oh. Oh. Defense. You want it? You want to get the stick? How did... Oh. Mama's mad now. Mama's going to be so mad. She's going to cry a little bit. Yes! No. Really? Why did the person build the stairs? I'm going to cry. Oh, baby, don't cry. No, I can't. Shoot! Teleport to spawn point. Oh, no. Okay. Well, that was good. Deforestation. I think I found scenes up there, but I need to get up there. All right, Caitlin's on there. Hi. Shoot. No, Zane, you're not going anywhere, you know. Yes! That was so cool. I just need to find a way to get up here. Using these. I'm gonna make it down there anyhow. So wait, that thing says baby don't say. No teleporting. Got you. No teleporting. No TP. Oh, where is she? No teleporting. No teleporting. Hey, Caitlin. Hey, Caitlin. Come on, you're so fast and ginger baby. On. Yes! Yes! I won! Yay! Tap with the slime point. Oh no! Oh, it's on. Oh, it's on. Okay, we're on 19, 18, and 14. Oh! Wait. We start counting. I died. 5:47. No. I can't get up. I can't get up. No! I keep on falling. Shoot. I gotta fly. You better die. Yes! Best hiding spot ever. They're not gonna find me. Yeah. Best hiding spot ever. Yes, I found ladders so I can go upstairs. But monkeys. Jump. Yes. Yes. I'm beating it. I just gotta go up there. Oh, I thought I didn't see good. Please no. Okay. There's Keaton. Where are you? Okay. Nope. Oh. 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 Come on. Okay, get my stick ready so I can hit them and make them fall. Ready? Where my Sandy took a picture? Oh, I thought he did it. It's U-O-T. Ladders, yes, I can go up there. Why? Oh, more parkour! I'm sorry, I hate this. No! No! Don't say you're nearby. Don't say you're nearby. Ha 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 ha. No, mama, no, boo boo. I might got time, so I might run. I don't have time. It's not good. Lousy. Oh, she don't have time. She's gonna waste her time and I have to like, oh my god. So I'm trying to find You know, I'm just gonna cheat and break some blocks. Let's just do that. And let's not do that. 1 and 2. Nope. No! Oh, I better run. Please don't like. Oh no, I'm not gonna make it. I'm not. Let's not do this. Let's not. Come on. No. Caitlin, please. Don't do this to me. Let me regenerate and I'll go. Let's go. Yes. Oh, jeez. This looks good to eat. Shag it. Cheese. I'm gonna make sure my boogie okay. Let me quickly just run over there and No, it's insane. No. I'm not gonna make it. Let's make it on. We need to make it on a tape. I'm going. Hi, cousins. Why? Don't. No, baby Caitlin. Please don't do this to us. Oh no. Where you go? I said, oh my goodness, I'm not gonna be able to make it. What's this is so phone. I'm playing on my phone. Let's see what we got. We got Minecraft. Up, down, side, go, jump. Please don't say. What's this? Is that pack? Yes. Okay, I won't get you. Wait. Okay, they won't get you. Well, you know. Get away from my gate!